Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all the top 2 stocks that all of you should be keeping in your watch list for today. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped your stocks of interest in the comment section of last night's video, right after the intro. All right, y'all, right off the bat, the market is currently consolidating right now, is chilling in this zone right over here. Will we get out of it, or will the market keep playing games and messing with the longs and short? All right, honestly, I think we've been getting here for just a little bit, and then we will get out of here at some point to the upside. I'm not bearish on the market, not yet. I still think that we can make a move all the way up to 39.80. All right. If you take a look at the daily is not looking bad. The daily is looking very, very strong. I think today money is going to flood in, and it will be a good day for the longs. I think I'm not bearish just yet. I cannot be bearish right now. So just keep your eyes out. Watch the SPY as you're trading every other stock, all right, and manage your risk accordingly. Now, the first stock that all of you should be keeping in your watch list for today, that stock is FSLY, all right, and Fastly is looking pretty nice. I talked about this one in the past before, right over here. Unfortunately, it didn't hold out along with all of the other stocks. All right, but right now it's trying its best to recover. If you take a look at the 5-minute charts, it's looking pretty good. Every time it dips, buyers just keep buying it up and buying it up right now. All right, so it's looking pretty good. Every drop, it pops. Every drop, it pops again, and then another drop, it pops, and right now it's holding. It's ready for a run all the way up to I think 82 to 83 bucks, just somewhere around here. Right, it's just on a recovery chart right now, along with all of the other stocks. And the nice thing about Fastly is that I like its option chain. I like the amount of money that it pays. So definitely keep Fastly on your watch list for today for a potential run to $80 and above. All right, so that is my very honest opinion of that one. The next one that all of you should be keeping on your watch list for today, that stock is Baba. All right, and Baba right now is struggling, but the reason why I want to put this one on your radar is because it's currently trying to form this double bottom here. All right, this double bottom, first bottom over here, it had the morning star, but it couldn't hold up. All right, and now it's trying to get for another second bottom, and right now it's about to open at around 28.45. So anticipate a tweezer bottom, and here's what I mean. What I mean by this is that it might just drop all the way down to 126.40, and then immediately reverse and go all the way back up to 230 again for a continuation up, and that will form a tweezer bottom. Right, worst case scenario, if it goes below 28.26, 226 and 40 cents, it might go down a bit further. But the stock has been it's been oversold for quite some time. There have been some selling pressure for quite some time, and I do think a bounce is coming right around the corner. Another thing that I like about it is that it's at a previous level of support. Right, it's literally like hugging the bottom right here. So keep that one on your watch list for sure. It may surprise a lot of people today, and I'm not bearish on this one, and I will caution short sellers who are overly bearish on the stock. It looks like it might want to make a turnaround, so keep that one on your watch list as well. All right, now let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. The very first one that we're going to be talking about is you. All right, and you right now looks pretty good. All right, you right now is looking like Fastly. I think I think it's about to go. Let me see here. Let me change this thing to the 5 minute. All right, and now it's opening up at 113. A little drop first to like 111 before we see a run wouldn't surprise me at all. All right, the stock is recovering. If we take a look at this thing, the weekly looks pretty nice. There's actually a bullish harami on here, so keep your eyes out on that one and watch for the move all the way up to 117. Anywhere in here will be a good profit margin. 113, 117 minus 113, that's $400 in profit per contract. So just keep that in mind. All right, I'm not bearish on this one. Short sellers, don't be greedy. Do if you're hoping for the stock to tank all the way down to like 84 or maybe even 80 bucks, I do not think that that's going to happen. I highly would not short this thing to the downside. So keep this one on your watches for a potential long. The option chain is also not bad at all. Yeah, it's really not bad. So again, that's my very honest opinion on that one. The next one that somebody asked about was Lemonade. Let's check out Lemonade. And Lemonade is pretty much doing the same thing as you. All right, it's doing the same thing. I think money will flood into the market today. I think Lemonade is probably going to push up to 117. 120, it would be nice if it goes all the way up to 120 and 123. I think it would be really nice. But if it does get there, start to take your money off the table and start to apply caution. All right, it is recovering, which is a good thing. It is recovering and volume is picking up, money is flooding in. So I think there could be a day trading opportunity on this one for today. Now the next one that somebody else also asked about was GBML, Gamble, or I think I spelled that right. GMBL. There you go. Yeah. All right. And this stock right here, it had a good day yesterday on 315. Short sellers are not happy right now. This is pretty much brewing for a short squeeze. If you don't know anything about short squeeze, is that everybody who got in at the top here are pretty much pissed off. Like they're very angry right now. This is not looking good. If you're short in here, if you don't want to cover, all I can say is be very careful. Let's take a look at this on a bigger scale. On a bigger scale, I mean, we can see $30 wouldn't surprise me at all. This is not something that I would personally short. I would definitely not short this one right here. Yeah, guys, watch this one for a long. Watch this one for a short squeeze. Okay, it's looking pretty good. It wants to get up there. It wants to squeeze shorts, probably at around like 120 at first. And then maybe next week we try to like retest the previous highs of like 125. I'm not bearish on this one at all, right? And I want to put this one on your radar. And hopefully that answers your question for the person who asked about it, all right? And that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel a lot. It allows more people to get this knowledge as well. Also, if you are new to the channel, definitely click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way you don't miss out on these pre-market analysis videos, which are released from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens, and the post-market analysis videos, which are released every single day in the afternoon. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul Nguma and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB on Instagram and on Twitter. And lastly, if all of this is new to you, if trading is brand new to you and you would like to get started, I'll have some step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get signed up with all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get 2 free stocks after signing up with Webull. Use my very first link in the description below. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with PATTERNOLOGY LAB, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video, right? Do not get too greedy today. Watch this one for a potential run. I'm still bullish on the market, not bearish at all. It's looking okay. All right. Manage your risk and enjoy the outro.